Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to upload songs to StarMaker. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and be sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To upload songs to StarMaker, what you need to do is simply head over and open up the StarMaker app and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the sing option on the bottom of the screen. Then once you're inside here, you'll be seeing a bunch of songs that you can sing. Then all you gotta do is simply select the song, and once you select the song, you'll find an option that says sing right here. Simply tap on sing. And now once you tap on sing, all you gotta do is select the song. Then you can choose solo, just singing by yourself, or you can choose duet or group. And then once you have completed your recording, simply tap on next or save. Then you can also add optional details like a title for your recording, privacy settings like public, friends only or private, tags or descriptions, and once done, simply tap on publish or share to upload your performance to StarMaker's community. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.